According to the world counts, by the year 2030, we will approximately have only 10% of rainforests left. And it could honestly all disappear within a matter of years. You might be able to guess what I'm going to be talking about today based off that statistic, but if you don't know, today I will be discussing deforestation. Deforestation is the removal of trees, forests, or any land clearing to make use out of something else, whether it be for the production of paper, to make space for agriculture, farming, mining, or even infrastructure expansion such as road building and urbanization. Today I will be discussing how deforestation affects animals and their habitats, how it affects our world, and how it can lead to many global issues. First off, yes, we're going to be talking about how it affects animals, and up to 28,000 species can go extinct in the next quarter century due to deforestation. When people decide to cut down trees in order to build cities, make roads, they are destroying habitats. The places where these animals, plants, and organisms are living in. And when organisms don't have the necessities that they need to reproduce, they are bound to become extinct. And as a result of that, it's not surprising to know that deforestation causes many animals to starve due to the fact that they do get many of their nutrients from these trees and from these plants. And of course, whenever they are cut down and torn apart, they have nothing left for them. Not only does deforestation affect animals, but it can affect humans as well. Around 250 million plus people living in the forest depend on trees and many natural supplies for their basic needs. And of course, without the use of trees, wood, and many other sources, they are not able to get the things that they need to survive. Now we will look at how it affects our world. Of course, there are many impactful ways that deforestation affects us, but some that I found quite interesting were that deforestation can lead to desertification, which affects large dry land areas around the world and can cause a major stress in human societies. And also as a result of that, the spreading of diseases is more likely to occur due to the fact that some of them are transmitted through insects such as malaria and Lyme disease. And those are more common to occur in spaces with direct sunlight exposure. Due to those trees not being there to cover the dry land, we are exposed to more harmful diseases. We need these trees and forests as a barrier for those harmful effects that could potentially happen in our world. Lastly, I will discuss how deforestation can lead to climate change and other global issues. Deforestation is considered to be one of the main contributing factors to climate change. When trees are cut down and burned and left to rot, their stored carbon is released into the air as carbon dioxide, which results in climate change. And also, the carbon dioxide is released from trees and it mingles with greenhouse gases, resulting in climate change. I think it's just crazy to think that the result of cutting down these trees and massive forests can result in something as bad as we know that can be climate change, and how it can have such harmful effects on us, our planet, and animals. We have discussed how deforestation affects animals, ourselves, and our planet. If current trends continue due to the world counts, we have approximately 79 years, 198 days, 22 minutes, and counting until the end of rainforests. Thank you for listening.